Hi, welcome to the third video tutorial of the OSL Programming Notes add-on. In this video I will be talking about functions. Functions are very similar to Cycle's node groups. They allow you to easily reuse nodes and organize your node tree. There is a separate node tree for functions. It's the node tree with the graph icon. In this video we will be creating a function that generates random vectors. Functions, just like shaders, also have an input and output node, which in this case is the function input and output. Once you've created a function, you can use it in your shaders just like you would in cycles with node groups, or like script nodes. You go to the function category and add it, and from there you can select the function. Now, whenever you update the function node in the shader gets updated as well. Randomness is always difficult to generate in shaders, but we'll make use of the fact that the geometry node, the position output, always returns a slightly different value for each sample. We'll be using a Perlin noise texture, which is a new texture type in OSL, to generate the three coordinates of the vector. We want values between -1 and +1 so that the vector goes in all directions. So we enable signed on each node, and then we plug in the position into the coordinates of the texture. The next step is adding a combine node to create a vector from the three values. And we need to set the scales of the textures. The scale for each texture has to be different so that you get a different coordinate. And you should set the scale to a really high value so that you get completely random values. We'll also add a normalized vector node so that the length of the vector is always the same. Now the function gets updated again, and we have got a function that generates a random vector. To test it, I'll just compile and refresh the shader. And we get all sorts of different colors, but there is no pattern whatsoever, so we get completely random values. Functions can be used from shaders, but you can also call functions from other functions, and you can even use them inside loops and if functions.